Rib cast off. In this example, we have a 1x1 rib. So first you have to determine if your first stitch is a knit or a purl. These little bumps there indicate purls. So it looks like the first one is a purl. So we are going to purl the first stitch. Then we change the direction because next one is a knit. We knit. And now it's just regular cast off. So we're pulling that first stitch over the next one. Now we need to have 2 more stitches on the right needle. So the next one is a purl. So we're going to purl and cast off. We have to do one more. Next one is a knit. You knit one and pull yarn over. Okay, so next is a purl. Change the direction, purl that stitch, and pull the yarn over. And we keep going. Next one is a knit. So we knit one, pull yarn over. Next one is a purl. It's the last stitch. We purl it. We pull yarn over. And then the last stitch, you do the same way. You're just going to cut the yarn and pull the tail through that remaining loop. And this is our rib cast off.